to PPTS Electrical and Mechanical Engineering LLC, your trusted provider of electrical and mechanical installation, maintenance, and engineering services across the UAE. With 15 years of experience and a team of certified engineers and technicians, we proudly offer 24/7 professional solutions for residential, commercial, and industrial projects. Our services are fully compliant with UAE regulations, and we use the latest technologies to ensure safety, efficiency, and long-term performance. At PPTS, we specialize in electrical wiring and rewiring, power distribution systems, panel board installation, lighting and power systems, EV charger installation for homes and buildings. Our mechanical engineering team provides HVAC system installation and maintenance, ventilation and ductwork, chillers, pumps and motors, water and drainage systems. We are experts in central AC repair, split unit servicing, and BMS system integration to make your buildings smarter and more energy efficient. Whether you're in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ajman, or Fujairah, our expert electricians are available 24/7 for urgent repairs and scheduled projects.